What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another vlog. Happy Sunday. So right now I'm gonna go with Gio and Bruno on a short walk. I'm gonna show him this little lake area. We've been there before. I'm pretty sure I've uploaded it, by the USF College. Then we're gonna figure out where we're gonna go eat. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. But let's go. All right, guys. So we made it to Bonnet Springs. Just gonna record Bruno here on this hot, nice, beautiful weather day. The clouds are out and it picks up, the wind does, so we'll be out here for a little bit. How beautiful is this park, guys? It's the most beautiful one in Central Florida, here in the Lakeland area. Has so much things to do here, like peep right the tree, like Bruno. He's really smart about that. We're taking that home. Alright, guys, so we just came here to a spot close to the water with Bruno. He's in love. Come on, boy. Don't want no alligators popping out of nowhere. Look how nice it is over here, guys. It's just so peaceful and so beautiful. Look at these big, beautiful trees, man. Beautiful plants right here. Central Valley Trail. Just wanted to find a shaded area for Mr. Bruno. There's a trash can over there, finally, because I got to get rid of his poopy. I'm so blessed to only live about 10 minutes from here in the downtown area. Such a blessing. I love this place. I come here in the mornings with Bruno to walk a mile or two to get the day started. Keeps you healthy, keeps you running. My boy says he's thirsty, so I'm getting him water. To me, that my Frenchie is overheating on me. I try to let him relax for a while, but he's still breathing hard. He's just sweating. He's hot, normal, right? Florida weather. So I'm gonna go here and sit in there. It might be cooler, and we're close to the water, so he'll get water as well, which is good. Look at him. So cute. Right, Bruno? So cute. Okay, come on. You already had a lot of water, boy. Come on, Bubby. So we're just gonna sit here in this area. Come on, Bub. And enjoy some wind. Check it out, guys. Bruno found a good spot. It's pretty hot. So we're just here sitting, enjoying. Would have brought some McDonald's, you know, this would have been a perfect spot to have a picnic at. Guys, there's a beautiful golden retriever coming here. Bruno, right now we're gonna go get some tacos at Taco My Friend here in Wrecker Highway in Winter Haven. I heard they take cart now. I'm pretty sure they do, but let's go find out. And I'm gonna get some tacos, torta, quesadilla. I'm gonna do the whole shebang, all right? We just walked like, what, 2 miles maybe? So I think we're gonna do it. And my dos cocas de dieta. All right, guys, so we're almost there to Taco My Friend. We're gonna go get our food. I already have an idea of what we're gonna order, but let's just see. All right, guys, so it's really packed here, but we're gonna get off and order. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're here ordering at Taco My Friends. I'm about to do me 2 quesadillas, 5 tacos, unas 5 tortas. It's pretty packed out here today.
¿Me dan la torta de pastor? ¿Torta pastor con todo? Sí, con todo. ¿Vas a comer aquí? Ah, para llevar. Para llevar. ¿Qué más? Y 2 tacos de asada. 2 de asada con todo. Con todo, sí.
Me da 2 de asada con todo. Buenas tardes. 2 de pastor. ¿Tiene carnitas?
2 pastor. Carnitas se me acabó.
Está bien.
Pura asada, pastor, pollo, chorizo.
Me da una quesadilla.
¿Quesadilla de qué carne?
Chorizo.
¿Chorizo con todo?
Yeah.
¿Qué más? ¿Quieren agua de fresca? Sí, agua de piña, melón, sandía, jamaica, horchata y limonada. ¿Una horchata? ¿Una horchata? ¿Para ti?
Haga los 3 tacos de
que
cada
sean
uno. 3 y 3.
3 y 3.
Yeah.
Órale.
Gracias. Y una soda de coca.
¿De coca mexicana?
Yeah.
Me dijiste sandía.
It's ready.
21, salsa, primo.
Sí. Roja y verde, por favor. O roja. Ahí está una verde en la mesa.
¿Va a comer aquí?
Sí, para probar y luego para llevar lo que sobre,
Ya
gracias.
está, primazo. Le voy a dar la verde. Oh,
Ok,
¿tiene verde?
sí, ahí está una.
Ok, le voy a dar la rojota.
Ok.
Y le voy a dar roja para llevar, ¿ok?
Ok, muchas gracias.
No hay problema. Vamos a la orden, primo.
Gracias, bendiciones.
Gracias a usted igualmente.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we got our food right here. Alright guys, so I accidentally got something that's not mine. It looks like a burger. It's Gio's torta. Maybe. Guys, these are my tacos right now. Cooking them up really good. Messing them up actually. Yeah, I got back. They're moving fast over there. Guys, the food was like so quickly put out here at the table. The guy was really cool about it. Guys, these tacos are just so fucking delicious. Oh no, ya me estoy llenando. No. Bro, this quesadilla to die for. Let me show you how it. Oh. Guys, so I literally just ate 6 tacos and the quesadilla. So delicious. But yeah guys, everybody's out here just hanging out, eating good, you know.